Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. So I hope you all are doing great. I am back with another tutorial video of how you can use Do Not Disturb in Control Center on your iPhone. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and scroll on the top right corner from your screen. Now here you will see the option called Focus. Long press it for a second. Now there many options will be appeared. Now go ahead and tap on that Do Not Disturb mode. And here as you can see, the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled on my phone and you can use it on your control panel, whether it's for 1 hour or 1 day or how long do you want. So that's all guys, this is how easily you can use Do Not Disturb mode in Control Center on your iPhone. So I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.